Greetings and welcome. Today I am going to introduce a good iOS system recovery software which is Joyoshare Ultfix that can fix 150 plus possible iOS issues without any data loss. It has dual repair mode, standard and advanced. It is compatible with all iOS 15 devices and it has the one-click option to enter or exit recovery mode. It is offered as a free trial both for Windows and Mac, and if you are satisfied, you can buy it from here. So some of the highlighted repair features are white screen Apple problem, recovery mode problem, black screen, disabled iPhone, boot loop, restore failure, or if your device is stuck in headphone mode, or you are stuck with no service, or an iOS update failure. And this software offers more. I will show you that when we run the software. Here we can check out the features in detail, like the enter and exit recovery mode option, recovering iOS system without causing any data loss. Dual mode to fix iOS means standard mode is for some common iOS problems like freezing issues, iPhone is stuck, or iTunes errors. This will not cause any data damage or data loss, but the advanced mode is for some serious system problems, and this will reset your device to factory settings. Now let's try out the software and see how it works. First of all, if your device has some hardware failure, it is not supported, and after the repair process is done, your device will be updated to the latest version. And this is the list of all the problems it can fix. Now simply click start. According to the extent of your problem, you can choose standard mode, which will not cause any data loss, or the advanced mode that will erase all data and reset your device to factory settings. We will try standard mode here. Now click next arrow. Here you can follow the instructions on your screen to put your device in DFU mode or the recovery mode. We have all the instructions for all types of devices, iPhone 8 or later, iPhone 7 Plus, or all the other devices. Now simply follow the instructions on screen to enter recovery mode or DFU mode. I will now quickly enter DFU mode. Right now you can check out that the next button is now available. Now here it will automatically detect your device's model. If it is incorrect, you can change it manually. Now when you click download, it will download the latest firmware for your device. If you have already downloaded the firmware package, you can click select, locate the IPSW file, click open, and it will now start verifying the firmware package. It will show you here your device type and firmware version. Now please keep your device connected and click repair. It will now unzip the firmware. Now it will start to fix the iOS. You will now see a bar running on your device. Please be patient and let this process complete. So we are 35% there. So when it is complete, you will see repair completed and your device will now boot normally. Now simply click done, and now you should be at the home screen. That is how you use Joyoshare Ultfix. That's all for this video, guys. We'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.